This section of the tutorial will explain how to format wiki text in the context of doing your first assignment where you will edit your user page. First, go to your personal user page by clicking on your username. This is your user page. Right now it's blank and we'll fill it in with content. Right now your user page is completely blank. All of the wiki text that will end up on this page will be typed into this box. Let's go ahead and start adding text. The first task in the assignment is to create a heading for my name, group, and team. I can create a new heading by typing in double equal signs on either side of the heading text. Next, I will type my name, group, and team members. I want to link my team members' user pages, so I'll put double brackets on either side of their user page names. This type of linking is called internal linking. You can internally link to any existing page on the Chem Wiki by using double brackets. For users, you must put in user : and their user page name for the link to work properly. I also want to link to my group page, which I will do by putting double brackets around group 1. Let's see what my page looks like so far. Click on Show Preview at the bottom of the screen. At the top of this preview, I get a warning that I have not saved my page yet. Be very careful that you save changes when you are working on the Chem Wiki. Let's look at what I have so far. I have my first heading here, and I also see that Group 1 page successfully linked because it's blue. My Anonymous Friends page also linked properly. However, Anonymous 3 and Anonymous 4 do not look like they are linked to anything because my team members have not made their pages yet. Other than that, everything looks good, so let's save what we have and move on to the next part. I want to continue editing, so I'll click on the Edit tab on my user page. The next part asks me to name a cartoon character I'd want to be. I'm going to create a new heading for this question and then type in my response below. Remember to use double brackets to create, or double equal signs to create a new heading. I'm also told to italicize the movie that this character is from, and I can do that by putting double apostrophes, not quotation marks, on either side of the title. Let's see what this looks like. I have my new heading put in, and it also looks like the movie is italicized. Looking good. Let's save at this point by clicking on the Save button at the bottom. Because I'm not done editing the page, I'm going to check this is a minor edit before I save. Let's go back and edit the page some more. I need to include a picture or image of my character. In order to put images on the wiki, you need to follow a two-step process. First, upload the photo onto the Chem Wiki, and then link to the file by typing in double bracket file : the file name and another double bracket. Once you know the file name, because you have already uploaded it to the Chem Wiki, you can click on the Embedded File button and type in the file name here. Right now it's example.jpg, but I would change this with the file's name. However, I have not yet uploaded my image to the wiki, so I'll need to do that now. Click on the Upload File in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Next, click Choose File and select the file that you want to upload. This file needs to already be loaded on your computer, and you can upload it onto the wiki once it's there. Then, type in a destination file name describing your image. Make sure that it begins with the date in DDMM format so that each image has a unique name that does not get overwritten. When you're done, click Upload File to upload the file to the Chem Wiki. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Looks like my file uploaded successfully, so I'm going to copy and paste the file name so that I can put it in my wiki text on my user page. Let's go back and edit the user page some more by first clicking on my user page and then the Edit tab. To insert the file, click the Embedded File button above and insert the name of the file between the double brackets. You could also just paste the file name and then double brackets around it, just like an internal link. Once you have the file linked, let's see what it looks like. In my preview, I can see that this picture is too big. To shrink the size of the picture, I'm going to turn it into a thumbnail and align it to the right side of the page. Within the double brackets, type in a vertical slash and then thumb to convert the picture to a thumbnail. Then, type another vertical slash followed by right to align right. Lastly, put in another vertical slash and then a caption if you wish. You can also change the alignment if you wish. Let's see what it looks like now. That's much better. Let's go ahead and save as a minor edit. Okay, we have a few more things to add. Let's go back and edit some more. The next thing that I need to add is a numbered list of 3 people, dead or alive, who I would invite to a party. Go ahead and add in a new heading with your double equal signs. To create a numbered list, all I need to do is add a £sign before each item in the list. I'm also supposed to list references describing who these people are, but let's wait until the end to do that. All you need is a single £sign, and the numbers will be automatically generated within the same list. Next, I'm going to make a bulleted list of 2 truths and 1 lie. Put in your heading first. Now, instead of a £sign, I'm going to use an asterisk for each bullet point. Once you're done typing these in, let's see how the page looks so far. Looks good. The 3 people are numbered correctly, and the bullet points are there as well. Alright, let's go ahead and save this as a minor edit. We'll go back to the user page one more time and finish editing. Okay, the last thing that I need to do is put in references. Each page should have a reference section, which I will create right now. I'm going to add in a references tag. This tag automatically detects any inline citations in the text that you have above. If it sees a ref and a close ref tag, it will take the reference info between the tags and list it at the bottom of the page. Make sure that you don't delete this tag. Next, I need to put in the open and close ref tags where I want the references to show up. I want to reference a website in ACS style format for Thomas Jefferson, so I type in both tags and insert the reference information between the tags. I'll repeat this for my other 2 people as well. Once you have the ref tags in, go ahead and put in the information between each of the open and close tabs. Let's see what this looks like so far. I see that all three people have references. When I click on the number, I am brought to the bottom of the page with the numbered references. These references are in order of appearance in your text. You can also click on the arrows to go back up to where the reference appears in the body of the text. Everything looks good, so let's save this page. Our final page looks good. Let's look at a few more things. Click on the View History tab. Every page has a digital history that you can look at. To see what a page looked like at a certain time point, just click on the timestamp. This may be helpful when you are trying to determine who in your group edited which parts of your wiki page. To go back to the page itself, click the Read tab. Each page also has its own discussion page where you can post comments on the page. This is where you will write, on your team members' pages, what you think they are lying about in their 2 truths, 1 lie. This page is also where your TA will post feedback on your Chem Wiki pages. This is also called a talk page, so you may hear it being referred to as such. You can also click the Userpage tab to go back. You're all done. To log out, click Log Out in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Make sure that you log out when you're done editing.